Namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we bring you exciting and interactive ways to learn Hindi. Today, we have a special episode for all the vegetables lovers out there. We are going to learn about vegetables in Hindi through English. So, let's get started. Our first vegetable is the corn. In Hindi, we say bhutta. Can you say bhutta with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Corn. Bhutta. Corn. Bhutta. Next, we have the mint. In Hindi, we say pudina. Can you say pudina with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Mint. Pudina. Mint. Pudina. Next, we have the mushroom. In Hindi, we say mushroom. Can you say mushroom with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Mushroom. 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 Next, we have the coriander. In Hindi, we say dhania. Can you say dhania with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Coriander. Dhania. Coriander. Dhania. Next, we have the raw banana. In Hindi, we say kacha kela. Can you say kacha kela with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Raw banana. Kacha kela. Raw banana. Kacha kela. Next, we have the cluster beans. In Hindi, we say gawar phali. Can you say gawar phali with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Cluster beans. Gawar phali. Cluster beans. Gawar phali. Fantastic. You did it. We've learned some fascinating vegetables in Hindi through English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these words to build your vocabulary. Corn, bhutta. Mint, pudina. Mushroom, mushroom. Coriander, dhania. Raw banana, kacha kela. Cluster beans, gawar phali. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning vegetables in Hindi with us. Stay tuned for more exciting language lessons. Dhanyawad and until next time.